People, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to print AutoCAD black and white. So let's say you have drafted this drawing. It is very simple. I'm just showing you the process of how to print it black and white. So before printing it, the process is you first have to plot it, make it a PDF, and then you have to plot it. So for that, the shortcut of plot is Control P, or you just type the command plot, and it will be right over here. So after that, I have also taught you in my older video at that how to plot, what are the plot sizes, this and that. So I will not waste my time in that right now, but the main focus of the video is how to print that black and white. So that's fit to paper, iso bleed, window. Let's select our window as this drawing. And the main thing that you have to follow in this is the gray scale. You have to select the gray scale right over here, in which your um, drawing will be printed as black and white. So that was all. Plot transparency, landscape. Just check all the elements and just save it as a grayscale CTB. Just tap on preview, and which is right over here. Your sheet will be printed on the A2 sheet, which is a grayscale black and white. So we usually don't print any of our drawing black and white because in architecture drawings there are always line weights, there are always hatches, there are always more lines, thickness of the lines, and many things that are important. So in black and white it doesn't appeal too much. The drawing doesn't read as good as it reads in a grayscale. So always select grayscales.ctb when you want to print your file black and white. So and just press enter. Okay, and save it wherever you want. Subscribe. The printing job will be done in the background. So that was all for the video. If you liked, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you for watching.